What does a duck say? Pig. Oink, oink. What other animals do you see? Where's the sheep? What does the sheep say? Bah. Yay! Neigh. That's right. Horse. I'm going to put it right back in. It's tricky. Yay! What does the cat say? Meow. What does the rooster say? Doodle-doo. What does the cow say? Moo. Yeah. What does the bird say? What does the bird say? Chirp, chirp. What does a monkey say? What does the dog say? Arf. What does a bear say? Good job. What does the lion say? Wow. What does the elephant say? Elephant? Good job. Hey, Avery, what does a baby say? What does a baby say when she cries? A sad baby. Yeah, wah wah.